Hi, my name's Cirincione and I'm from the East Greenbush Central School District, and right now I'm an apprentice in Questar 3's Youth Apprenticeship Program.
I'm Beaudoin from Tamarack High School. I'm in Questar 3's Youth Apprenticeship Program. I've been working with Crisafulli Bros Plumbing and Heating this summer as a home services company out of Albany. This summer I've been working on all sorts of residential heating and cooling equipment.
And Questar 3's program has definitely helped me to learn a lot of the basics in HVAC that I would need to know for the job. Stuff including like soldering or brazing or just, piping in general, PVC, cutting, stuff like that. And a lot of wiring as well that was taught in Questar 3's program.
Mr. Ramirez taught us a lot about heating and cooling throughout the school year, line voltage wiring, low voltage. It really helped me transfer that knowledge that he taught us over into the real world, into my work.
Working for Crisafulli has been awesome because the environment's great. Everybody here has been awesome, very welcoming. It's a great community to be around, of people. And the jobs, there's always, somebody there to help you out if you don't know something or if you want to learn something. Somebody will always be there to teach you.
I feel like I get a lot of hands-on experience that a lot of kids my age don't get.
And the management here has been great. It's been amazing so far, and I've just absolutely loved it.